To create a new reservation for a group, go to Reservations, Create New Group. Enter the group name. You can either select to have the charges all billed to an individual reservation or to the first reservation. So instead of them being billed individually, let's say in this case it's a church youth group, and so they will all be billed to one reservation. And then one person needs to be, one of the profiles, guest profiles, needs to be the group contact. And so if they are not in the system, you would want to select to create a new guest profile for that group contact. If there is someone that they've stayed with you before and they are already in the system, then you want to select this bottom option as an existing guest. I will select that option. I am going to use my name as the person that is the group contact for this group. So I select my name off the list, hit continue, select the rig type that I'm bringing, and now we can make the reservation. Again, how found out, like I've showed in other videos. Let's say that enter the dates, and let's just search. Now with a group, what's different from making an individual reservation is that you can select multiple sites. To select multiple rental spaces, you can hold down the Shift key and select several in a row, or you can press the Control key on your keyboard while you click to get different spaces. Once we've selected the spaces that we want, we then hit Create Reservation, and it will ask which rental space is the group contact staying on. How do you want to assign that? It will default to the first one that was selected, and that's okay, so we will use that. And now you can see my name as the guest contact has been, or as the group contact has been entered in. I'm on rental space 3, and I am going to finish filling this out, log on, and hit save. It says I'm not allowed, or there's a warning just saying that that was not allowed, that rental space was not allowing the type of unit that I was bringing. I overrode that warning. So what just happened now is it created the one reservation with myself as the guest contact, with Keith Johnson as the guest contact, and then it created 6 other additional reservations on the additional sites that do not have guests assigned to them at this point. If I click on the View Group, I can see where the different reservation numbers are and the rental spaces that they are assigned to, and we can then go in and create these and assign guests to them if we want. So now I'm on this one, I can assign a guest, change guest. Let's say that we can put a new guest in or an existing guest. Let's just pick a different existing guest. We'll just pick somebody else. And now we've assigned that guest to that reservation. Viewing the group, you can see now these 2 are assigned. So you can do that throughout the list to assign all of the guests. These can be assigned at any time, so you may not assign these until check-in. As each different group of individuals come as part of this group, you can assign them and enter their information as they check in.